Hi everyone, I'm Deborah Ruther and here's your market wrap for Wednesday, December 23rd. Stocks ended in the green but fell off of earlier highs. Investors were cautious following a trio of mixed economic reports. New home sales plunged last month, falling more sharply than predicted. Meanwhile, the consumer remained in focus. Personal income and spending rose in November, though both results were lower than expected. A separate read on consumer sentiment showed a rebound in confidence this month. On the corporate front, Ford agreed to sell its Volvo unit to Chinese automaker Geely. The deal is expected to close in the second quarter of 2010. Shares of Ford rose nearly 2%. Micron Technologies jumped 6% after swinging to a profit in the first quarter. This followed a loss the previous year. And media stocks led the way higher today after receiving an upgrade from Wells Fargo. Let's see what all this meant for the market. The Dow ended relatively flat, though closing in the green. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq rose 0.75% and the S&P gained 0.25%. Now let's take a look at the Treasury and commodity markets. Treasury saw little change, retaining recent losses. Crude oil surged to a 3-week high after the Energy Department reported a larger than expected drop in stockpiles. Gold moved higher, climbing off of a 7-week low. On the currency front, the dollar backed off of a multi-month high versus the rival euro. Before we go, let's take a look at what's on tap for tomorrow. Initial jobless claims data is due at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. At the same time, durable goods orders data is also due. The markets close at 1 p.m. Eastern Time and are closed on Friday for Christmas. There's your market wrap for Wednesday, December 23rd. I'm Deborah Ruther. Have a great night.